you think you are mysterious? Maybe yes, maybe not. If not, please do this for yourself. Be that guy who always minds his business, and don't involve in random chit-chat with all those girls. Believe me, they take those guys for granted. There are certain men who possess a mysterious aura that is incredibly attractive to women. This element of mystery is potent, but many men are unaware of it. In today's world, many guys talk excessively and behave in a way that detracts from their allure. They often dismiss the concept of mystery as awkward or odd because they misunderstand it, thinking it involves sitting silently in a corner and being socially uncomfortable. The truth is, mastering the art of mystery can make you formidable in any aspect of life, intriguing to women. However, overdoing it can make you seem ridiculous. The secret lies in balancing the right amount of mystery. Let's explore 7 strategies to become a man of mystery. Number 1. Disappear strategically. One common mistake people make is constantly seeking attention and validation, which can come across as desperate and uninteresting. Truly mysterious individuals are often intelligent and discerning. They don't let everyone into their lives easily and are comfortable being alone. They might disappear for a while without notifying anyone, leaving others to wonder about their activities during their absence. It's important not to misuse this strategy. Disappearing should be an opportunity to work on your goals in private. When you re-emerge, people will notice a change in you. Many avoid disappearing because they struggle with solitude, but the most successful men understand the strength found in solitude, as opposed to the weakness found in loneliness. Number 2. Withhold information. Avoid oversharing. Only impulsive individuals reveal everything about themselves or react to every situation. Wise men consider their words carefully and share information deliberately. This selective sharing creates an air of mystery. Keep others guessing by revealing only limited information about yourself. Number 3. Develop charismatic presence. Men with an air of mystery often possess significant charisma, naturally attracting others and gaining their support. A key element of charisma is the effective use of one's voice. Charismatic individuals use vocal variety to generate interest and build anticipation. To enhance your charisma, focus on how you use your voice in social settings. This is a skill that can be developed, and it is incredibly powerful. There are many factors involved in developing charisma. Number 4. Be unpredictable and hard to read. Mysterious men are often unpredictable, making them difficult to understand. This unpredictability makes them intriguing and exciting, not only to women, but also in broader social and professional contexts. The most influential people in the world often achieve their status through unexpected and extraordinary actions. When conversing with others, people usually predict the direction of the conversation and your responses based on their knowledge of you, expectations, or stereotypes. If you act or speak as expected, they easily dismiss you because it is familiar. In contrast, if you are unpredictable, people cannot respond automatically and must engage more deeply. However, being unpredictable doesn't mean being inconsistent or unreliable. A mysterious man is deliberate and knows exactly what he is doing. Number 5. Show emotional control. Some men care so little about trivial matters that they appear emotionless. While we all experience emotions, a mysterious man refrains from displaying feelings that can be exploited. When you stop reacting to trivialities, it unnerves others as they lose the ability to manipulate your emotions. Recognize that few things in life truly matter and avoid getting worked up over minor issues. Number 6. Observe intently. An old saying goes, "A parrot talks too much but can't fly high, whereas an eagle is silent and can touch the sky." The quietest, most observant man in the room is often the smartest and strongest, while the loudest is typically the weakest. Observing everything around you without reacting immediately allows you to understand others better. Develop a keen eye for detail and learn to read the room. This practice not only enhances your aura of mystery, but also provides you with valuable insights about your surroundings. Number 7. Maintain calmness. A man who stays calm under pressure is formidable. Remaining composed while others panic or become emotional grants you a mysterious allure that others find compelling. They will be curious about how you maintain your composure in tough situations. Women, in particular, are drawn to men who handle challenges with calm confidence. Train yourself to be stoic and composed regardless of the circumstances. When faced with adversity, remind yourself that it is a test, an opportunity to remain calm and solve the problem. Reacting emotionally or becoming stressed means failing the test. View obstacles as stepping stones on your path to personal growth. By the way, if you want to enhance your life further, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time.